Hey everybody, today we're over here on the boat going from the Wilderness Lodge over to the Magic Kingdom, guys. This is something I recommend for everybody. If you guys get a chance to ride the boats, definitely jump on one of these boats. There's lots of them for several different resorts, guys. Right now, that thing we're looking at over there to the left, that is the Contemporary Resort. And over to the right of that secular one in a little darker, like a clay color, that's the Bay Lake Tower. So both of those are resorts located on the Disney monorail loop, and you can actually stay in either of them. The one on the right is actually part of the Disney Vacation Club. This is looking back a little bit, see what you're going to get. Right over there is the Wilderness Lodge. That's where we just came from. There's a little dock over there. You can see the geyser over there. Most of the time you're over there, you're not going to see that geyser, but every now and then you get lucky enough and you see it. But once again, this is what you're going to see when you're on the actual waterway behind the Contemporary Resort. And if you look over there, there's that little bridge that connects the Contemporary over to the Bay Lake Tower. These are some of the little bungalows in the back here. You can stay at these. These are actually not located in the actual Contemporary, but off to the back of them. And in the very back center part of that, in the center of both of those resorts there, that's actually the pool, which is the actual Contemporary Resort pool. The Bay Lake Tower Resort actually having its own pool, so you can go to either one of those pools depending on where you're staying. And this waterway here is kind of like the cutoff. This is going to take you right around the Contemporary and bring you right over to the Magic Kingdom. Now when you get over here, you're going to notice this is one of the only bridges that you're going to be going over, and when you look down you can see cars going underneath you, so it's a water over car bridge, so it's kind of cool. There's some more of the boating here that you can take. And there's different kinds. You can either jump on the big ones. Those guys are actually what we're on right now. That's a medium boat, and then they actually got the smaller boats, kind of look like a little mini pirate ship. Or you can go on the huge ferries that'll take you over. Hey! Don't forget to wave to these guys when you guys go by. Up above you've got the monorail there. That's monorail yellow. Now once again, if you're not taking any of these boat rides or you're not taking any of the bus rides, you're not going to see a lot of this stuff. So it's definitely fun getting out, looking up, looking around. You get to see the many different things they have over here. Right now we're slowing down, getting ready to go through this little tight area here. You got another boat up there to the left waiting to go through too. And you'll notice anytime these boats are going through any of these little areas where they connect different waterways or where different boats are coming in and out of, these guys slow right on down, so you come to almost a complete stop, making sure it's safe to get on through. Again, we're going to start picking up some speed once we get through this whole mess here. Now, if you guys look over the sides here, this is the actual bridge that you go over top. So, if you look in on both sides, you'll see the cars that come out from underneath there. There's another monorail way off in the distance. A little loud here right now. Give it a minute. Notice off to the right, you've got the entrance to the Magic Kingdom over there. You see the flag flying? A little construction up here on the right. Straight ahead, you've got the little hub where the monorails come into. That's the ferry over there. That's going to take you to and from the Magic Kingdom over to next to the Polynesian, which is the transportation ticketing. That's where you're going to make your way over to the Magic Kingdom. This boat happens to take you over, so if you decide you want to go to the Wilderness Lodge, you can walk behind there and jump on this boat that'll take you over to the Magic Kingdom also. So guys. That's the Polynesian Resort over there, and that's part Polynesian, part Disney Vacation Club. The Vacation Club's located over on the left side. And when you look back around to the Grand Floridian, the buildings located directly over to the left of them is the Disney Vacation Club's the Vacation Club's Grand Floridian. There you go. A little tongue twister, but we got it out. And you can see the monorail coming in from behind that actual resort. So that's the monorail loop that takes you over to the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian, the Contemporary, which also houses Bay Lake, and then you're going to go right on over to the Magic Kingdom. And that's where we're headed right now, guys. It's a nice day out today. And there's the castle, there's the Walt Disney World Railroad. And this is where you're going to come around on the left side here. The boat's going to park and you're going to go right on in. So another look at the Grand Floridian over there. It's one of my favorite resorts. Very